everybody, this is your friend Anita. I'm gonna introduce to you one kind of foam cutting machine. Especially we're gonna use it to cut EPS, XPS, EPP kind of material. Now let's go. Now this is our control cabinet. Now please come, let's get closer. For this side is XCX, this side is YX, okay? The last one is the black one. This one is for control the speed, the cutting speed, the manual cutting speed. You use this button. Let's see our portrait frame and the motor together, okay? This motor gives energy to this belt, and this belt guides this gear and box to let the X-axis move. Let the wire move from X-axis, move from in front to back. And here, this is the portrait frame. The portrait frame is use this screw to move the wire from down to up. We call it Y-axis. Y-axis, you can see the rail. You can see the rail, the screw. Also, we can see the motor here. This motor and this coupler, they get together to guide this screw move up and down. It makes the wire work from Y-axis. Now you know the Y-axis and Y-axis is very easy to understand. Please come here and have a look. This one is very important. We call it emergency stopping protection system. Here, when our wire is broken and this stone gonna fail, so this one gonna fail and all the machine will stop, so it's more safety. Now what you can see is our work table. You can see here is a circle in front. We call it turning table. When you put the EPS material on the work table, you don't need to move it, so the table will turn by itself. And also you can see here 3 needles. The EPS material will not move